Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the texturing part of this particular exterior of London street over here. So now very first of all, what I'll be doing over here is like, let's first go into this. Let's do this texturing part. We'll complete this window section first. So just select this polygons over here. Let's again go into the material editor and let's just assign the window over here. So we'll be assigning over here the material for this. Same way, select this all. Let's just assign the same. Control I inverse. I'll again go into the material. The wooden material which we had created, will assign that. Go into the modifier list and give a UVW map. Set it as a box. Select this. Set it as a box and UVW map. So now what I'll be doing, again select this. Select the polygons. Assign this. Control I, inverse selection. Set this. Give again a UVW map. Inverse and again give UVW map. Now let's go over here in Photoshop. So we have already opened Photoshop. Let's go into File, Open, and let's take a door texture over here. So let's just take this door texture. So we already have this. What I'll be doing over here is like, I'll just try to crop this or cut this much part out over here. And I'll just press enter. I'll go into File, go into Image, Adjustment, Brightness, Contrast. I'll slightly reduce its brightness, contrast. I'll take a new layer. Take a brush over here. Reduce its opacity, reduce its flow. I'll just give some like this, make it dark. Again I'll save it. I'll save it as door 1 texture over here. Let's again go into 3DsMax. So select this. Let's again go into the material. Take a V-Ray material over here. Go into this diffuse bitmap and let's call go into this, and we have saved a door texture over here. So let's just take this door over here and let's assign that. So let's go into this UVW map, set it as a box. So as you can see, I have assigned this a door texture over here. After that, again I'll go into this, again go into Photoshop. Let's take one more texture for the door. I'll just take this. Definitely we have something over here. So let's just crop this. And give this over here. Press enter. I'll go into this. I'll give any kind of brownish color to it. The other way you can do over here is like, I can go into this new fill layer, solid color. That can also be done. And let's slightly change the blending mode over here. Or you can take any other, let's just take an image over here. So I'll just get an idea of it. So I'll just take a color. Much better now. Save as it. So let's again go into this. Again go into the material. Let's take a V-Ray material over here. Go into this bitmap and let's just assign that UVW map. Set it as a box. It looks very dark, so I can save it. Okay, now looks much better now. So select this area. So before that, again I'll go into the Photoshop. Let's open. We have different pavement textures over here. Let's just open this Pavement Textures. So let's try to do, I think I can use this. There are multiple. So I'll just go into this. I'll just resize this. Before we start, I'll just go over here, fill much better. So let's just duplicate it. So once you're done, you can just select this, merge it, so we have another also over here, this one. We'll take this. Let's see how it can work out. I can slightly rotate it. I think we'll keep the original, the first one only. Looks better. So let's just save as it. So let's go into this. Let's again take a V-Ray material, go into this diffuse bitmap, and let's take a pavement 1 texture. We can also give a bump map. We'll definitely add bump map also. Go into the material. You can add some tiling to it. And also add UVW map, and into that I can just go into this and I'll rotate this in this way. Again, go into the material editor. Let's take noise over here and let's connect it with a bump map over here. Make it fractal. Make it 0.1 over here. Let's go back to the camera view. I can again go into the material editor, and if you want, I can work with a tile like this. Now looks better. So select this part, again go into the material editor, take again a V-Ray material, go into the diffuse bitmap, and let's add a brick texture. Let's see how it looks like. Give a UVW map. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. I'll save the file again. So as you can see how we have worked out over here, creating this door texture, importing it back again over here, So we have done few of the changes in Photoshop and we have again imported in Max. So guys, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. If any doubts, please put it in the comment section. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.